Hey yo, what is up guys? Your boy Ed from Lisa Beach. You already know we got Ethan Nash in the back. You already know. And we're gonna be opening up 3 displays of the ghosts from the past. The second haunting? I didn't even know that was what it's called. Oh my god, that's kind of funny. But we're gonna open these up. We're gonna see this man pull like 6 ghost rares tonight. Let's bless his pull. Let's get into it.
That's blessed.
Let's have you struggling opening them.
We're finna pull Aya Tamayas and nothing else. He's finna get sick.
I'm about to pull 6 Dark Magician girls.
That's mine.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit, I can't even open this.
Before we continue with this video, make sure you guys check out my new sponsor, Dank Ritual Playmats. They have amazingly beautiful, high quality 2-player cloth mats, which come in various colors. You guys can also get 10% off with coupon code Ceviche10. Make sure you guys check them out. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. What is something that you want to see in here, though?
I want to see the Alubers. I want to see the Despia stuff. The Tenyi stuff is also pretty cool too. The Asian stuff is kind of cool too.
I got you. What are you missing? What are you missing?
I'm just missing.
What are you missing?
Me personally, I'm just missing the Alubers.
He needs 2
I'll see how many I pull.
Bet.
Huh? Alright.
You said you need 2 Ashnas?
There's one right there.
There was one right there. There was one right there. Somebody took
you picked it up?
No, somebody else did.
It's like a random stack. Nah, just like.
I heard that the Ghost Rare is the third card from the top.
Third card from the top?
Yeah.
Okay. So you try one. Let's see if you can get it.
Probably not, but we'll see.
First pack goes.
How many cards is it? It's 5, so that means you got to get 2 and you... There you go.
I told you it's the third one.
There you go, that's the third.
That's a ghost ring. That's the third one. I didn't see a ghost ring.
We're going to put all the stuff that you like on the side, so we'll just put a bulk of stuff right there. Ooh, I picked it up, but I haven't finished it.
And I heard Aluber is short printed.
Yeah, it's more short printed than most of the ghost rares.
Ew.
Oh my god.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
I'm glad I picked up my secret.
Oh my god!
Bars.
It's a number 60.
I like that new Bars reprint.
Yeah, I know. It was kind of needed. It was really expensive, wasn't it?
Oh,
Yeah.
I needed a set. Oh. No, it negates the red fusion, right? Okay. But now I dropped with this, so.
Wonder Patrol.
Wonder Patrol has some good stuff.
Huh?
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Galaxy Soldier? Galaxy Soldiers are holds.
For real?
I think they're holds.
How many prints are there already?
This is the 3rd one.
Definitely holds then.
I mean, I have like 7 dragon that lets you blink summon on your opponent's turn.
A dragon that lets you link someone on your opponent's turn. Unchained or what?
Oh, that's a good reprint.
This one?
Yeah, the Sky
It
Cavalry.
was like $37.
Really?
Yeah. With the rank 2 stuff coming out too.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Tragedy.
Is that Phoenix
Tragedy,
Chain?
nice. Hey, look. That's for boy AJ.
Rare fish.
Rare fish is dope.
Why did they Zephyr to get a reprint of this? They already got reprinted Grand Gator.
Yeah, just put it on this side.
It's so dumb.
So at this point, what would you want to make?
No, we waiting on you, bro.
I was like, yeah, we were all waiting on him.
He pulled nothing. Oh, 9 pillars. Finally got a nice print.
Ooh, Banshee.
Effective edge.
American.
That's nice.
Red Tom.
How would I make that mirror? How would I make that mirror?
I need that dramaturge.
Oh, Shucker. Vampire Shucker. Oh, nice.
Yeah, all that Tenyi stuff is like nice.
Yeah.
All right, this is the last one for this one. Let's see. Let's go ahead and cut it in 2.
What happened to
What's the first display?
Yep.
Yeah, this is the first display.
Give me 2 packs.
It's not bad.
You negated it? No, I didn't negate it. I negated Brandon.
So, Bye-bye.
Edition Chitana.
That beat over.
I don't know if somebody's gonna need that. Hey, wasn't this expensive as heck?
Yeah, I got bought out.
Oh my god. People be negging, bro.
What?
Edition. Ferris reprint. Hey, Ferris. Yeah, it really is a nice reprint.
No Lubers though.
What the heck is this? Oh, it's a new monster. Okay. Let's start opening this first. The DDD reprint is nice. Yep. Echo Swan. Oh, that's a good print. That's a good reprint. Oh, that is a really good reprint. It was kind of expensive already.
Yep.
There you go. Next three. Dude, there's no Lubers so far. Oh my god.
I bought this for Lubers.
Well,
Oh, no.
bro, we gotta pull at least one Ghost Rare if we don't get any Lubers.
I have to go standby and then go immediately to zero for the red target. Ooh, that's how I made that bit.
Another Galaxy Soldier.
Another Galaxy Soldier. Galaxy Soldiers are so nice.
This is having a destruction effect, right?
Dramaturge. Oh, compromise. Shine Bula. Shine Bula.
But it means it's basically campaign. That's all, yeah. Make a month.
God damn it.
And they're all ultras, right?
Yep.
Another Banshee. That's a pretty good pull.
Boom. Game.
Yeet. The bootiest of
We're getting
packs.
yeeted over here, bro.
The bootiest of packs.
Well, at this point you have
Hey, okay. Hulk.
Is that another Banshee?
No.
Oh, I thought it was another Banshee.
Imagine. Back to back to back. Come on, Heat Soul. Oh, Kluger. That's actually first print of that card.
because that's what you can do. Yeah.
Hero Kluger.
Bring back
They
more.
wanted it like when
Oh, yeah,
a minute ago.
Yeah, they're
It's supposed to be good, yeah.
Yeah, you play that in Heroes with
Take
like
token.
2 village spellcasters.
Oh, it's a spellcaster.
Yeah, it's
What the
cracked.
heck?
I thought it was a warrior.
It's cracked, bro. Like I've been playing
Oh,
with
you
it
summoned it with
online.
U-Bell, that's why.
It's cracked, bro. It's cracked.
Wild. Imagine.
So like, I think it burns or something. And then
Bro, still have not gotten a Luber yet.
He had it in hand.
Oh my god.
The moment we pull in the Uber, we're gonna
I'm
freaking.
playing with
Oh, I needed that. I wanted that.
It's cracked, bro. It's cracked.
Another shine ball.
Another shine ball. No Ubers. Not one at all. I think Juan rigged the box.
Lol.
Zombie
Zombie
here.
World nice. No Ghost Rays.
Still got another box. It ain't old.
What is that? Which one?
Mystical Stand. That was an OTS reprint.
Yeah, that was really expensive.
Yeah, because it's short.
It's actually really, really cool that it got reprinted.
Or Yazi.
Another one.
Ooh, it
All right, at Hara. All right, bro.
At the beginning of the combo, you're supposed to special Ashuna.
Oh my god!
Man,
Flute.
Because at the end of the combo, you make these two.
now.
These people are really trolling.
You don't make the link.
Put those that together.
No, because it's break 10, you don't play.
Another one.
Another fiver.
They put it back in.
Is that already? Oh, you got one more box bet.
Doom King.
Let's split that one.
Either way, though, like,
Doom
it's
King.
that thing, and I basically lose.
Well, no, actually.
Yeah.
Choose two. We gotta get a Ghost Rare.
You know something? You did.
Edition.
You could have been on another needle fiber.
Please give me a
Needle
Luber.
fiber. Here's how you would have done it. Needle fiber.
You're getting
Make
destroyed.
Take draw a card. This and that. Make the big bitch.
Chaos Gripper.
terrible.
Box of friends.
That's pass. You got it. You're gonna pull it that fast.
Well, I got another display.
No, no,
right
that's
here.
not
The road and now actually had on field. That was game. That was game.
That was game.
He didn't have that.
Oh, Master Hyperion. Last pack 80s.
Master Hyperion.
Oh, they reprinted Dougie Boy.
What?
All right, this is the last display. No louvers, no ghost rares. Are ghost rares really that easily to pull if we haven't pulled any? Yeah. Oh my god. All right,
Terrible
choose
video.
you two.
This is torture, not even a video.
He didn't about to go on suicide.
Yeah, no louvers. Can't be using those kind of words in YouTube, bro.
Just fucking see through it.
Nobody's watching this.
Yeah, I know. Nobody's watching.
No. You're not pulling nothing good. You're not pulling ghosts, bro. You got thumbnail.
Oh, snap. They released some more fossil shit.
Hey, no.
Damn, bro. I think Omega finessing, man. I ain't see nobody pull a ghost or nothing, dog.
Damn, Omega, we're almost 3 whole displays
Ocho
in.
Cupid, actually, that's pretty nice. I ain't gonna lie.
That was worth the whole game. That was so nice. It was almost worth the whole game. This is terrible.
Ethan is so bad right now.
Oh, Yasuke for Ultra. Nice, baby. We needed that.
No, like only one.
Damn.
Dude,
fuck? You have
what's
a lot
up,
of
Juan?
Oh, Ryzen.
Can I buy your hollow bow? Because you're gonna have a lot of it.
No fucking louvers. Oh my god, no. Not one.
No, nothing, bro. Not even a heat soul. These mans got finesse.
Not even a heat
No
soul.
bro and it. No heat soul. Bro,
No, he bought the last 3.
my boy Ethan just got his booty
Yeah.
destroyed, bro. Like, you got the field spell?
Not
even the field spell, bro.
Comedy.
Bro, he needs all this stuff.
Hey,
This
you
man-
gotta play set of tragedy at least.
They're confident. Everything you can get. No way. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you.
Oh, Mystical Sand, baby. Let's get it.
Which ghost rare you want?
Oh man, I just want anything.
I got you, bro. I got you. I'll save you. This is a ghost.
Dude, this is killing me.
This is a ghost or an Aluber?
Getting destroyed out here. Oh, Jagublion.
Googly. Oh my god, bro. Not like this,
Not like
bro.
this.
Not like
Not like
Someone please give this
like
man
this.
the sandwich. The sandwich. Give this man some
The
lube.
Dark Magician! Ah. Here, I
Give this
think they're
man
gonna
some
need
lube,
that.
man. Oh my god.
Give
Give him some lube, please.
Oh my god. Last pack.
But we still have this display here.
Oh, okay.
This is the last one. Last box.
no
Man.
louvers.
That boy Juan just busted his cheeks with no lube, man. No
Three
lube.
secret Alubers.
Got some hoes. Leave the man alone.
It's upside down. Oh, I told you they was finessing, bro.
Hey, look, he got his
They
second
took the
option
secret.
now.
I mean, they
Alright, this is it.
Let's open them at the same time.
This is it. You guys got it. You got this, bro. You got this, bro.
Hey, watch 2 goals right now, bro. 2
Ready?
goals rares. That's
First
right.
one.
What?
Co-win.
So was the third one. Too late.
Third.
Drop the ghost rare, bro.
It would have been the third card.
This one got.
Konami got the bulk race going.
Somebody get this man a wheelchair, bro. This man got destroyed.
Hey, yo, cut that video.
All right, so we just finished the. How many house you get? At least you got some house.
House or bulk? $5.
So yeah, what's up, guys?
My boy spent $300 to get $10.
Damn.
God,
Hey man, he's investing into the future, all right, man. So
Future when Half gets banned and then unbanned. And
hell yeah, bro. That bitch is gonna be like $100 ultra rare in like 2 years. So, anyways, this video is probably not gonna see the light of day.
Jesus.
That's what Ed gets, man, for wearing a fucking NYPD hat. No kidding.